Today I'm bringing you the smell of Christmas with pine essential oil. This is a great way to get a woodsy smell or Christmassy smell into your home. Alright, so one of my favorite ways to use pine essential oil is to help ease breathing. When I have a cold, I put this in the diffuser and I experience that my mucus starts loosening up and it gets a lot easier to breathe. So I recommend using pine essential oil for that. Pine essential oil can also support your circulatory system. You can dilute it and use it on your skin to help support blood flow and all the great things that circulation brings. Pine is really great at deodorizing it. So another reason to put it in your diffuser besides making your Christmas tree smell like a Christmas tree is that it's gonna help deodorize the air. So to make a great holiday home or just, make your place smell good, putting this in the diffuser is gonna help defeat those odors. This oil is also a good cleaner. You can use it in DIY cleaning sprays. I like to use essential oils with Castile soap and spray them on surfaces, then wipe them down. And I love this piney, fresh smell of pine essential oil in cleaning products. It just makes my house smell clean. So let's talk about how we know pine essential oil does those things. So we can look at how it's been used throughout history, and we can also look at its chemical constituents. So that is all the naturally occurring chemicals in pine essential oil. The way we know those chemicals is through a GCMS test, and that reads out all the chemicals in an oil, and that's also how we make sure our oils at Simply Earth are pure. Most of the natural occurring chemicals that are found in pine essential oil belong to the monoterpene family of chemicals. So some of the things that monoterpene chemicals are known for are being really good at killing germs, being good antioxidants, having that energizing effect. When you smell pine essential oil, it's just gonna wake you up. That's because of the monoterpene chemicals in this oil. It's also what helps loosen that mucus that I experience when I have a cold and help you breathe easier. Let's talk about how to use this essential oil safely. Pine is unlikely to cause any irritation to your skin when it's diluted properly. So make sure you're diluting it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or almond oil before putting it on your skin. I've got a dilution chart in the description that is super easy to follow that you can use to make sure you're using pine safely. This oil is generally safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. So if you have a younger child who is struggling with congestion, like my daughter Gloria, who is 3, this is a safer alternative for kids than eucalyptus oil, which is really popular to use when you have a cold. So I like to use pine or cedarwood essential oils with Gloria, and this helps loosen up her congestion to help her breathe more easily. Pine essential oils are toxic to dogs and cats, so we don't recommend using them around your pet. Whenever you're using an essential oil around a pet, make sure you leave the door open so your pet can leave if that aroma disturbs them. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Make sure to hit subscribe to learn more about ways you can use essential oils to make your home toxin-free. Thanks for watching.